Right, well the reason the Wales Audit Office is holding this seminar is because of Welsh Government legislation which is going to bring forward the timetable for local government accounts to the end of July from the end of September. From an Audit Office perspective, the key message I want delegates to take away is that they communicate with their auditors and they communicate particularly with the departments which are heavily involved in the accounts production process, such as the valuers.
The three key messages I would want delegates to take away is firstly, plan early and communicate with members and officers involved. Secondly, it's have a team approach. Ensure that actually all your accountants are involved in the process. That will actually help with succession planning. And finally, make sure that actually you don't do additional work. If you need to have unadjusted misstatements which aren't material, that is acceptable.